Bubba. This is Bubba Vanilla. Have a friends. Please like and subscribe. Like to the channel and subscribe to the channel. And please turn the bell on for notifications. And here we go. So this is part 2. That's part 1. We paused it. We ended. Just not how I expected to. I was thinking of, yeah, you're supposed to put this in the middle. Not. Yeah. That's how you're supposed to do it. There we go. So now it looks like that. Then we need to put you right here. Another vent right here. Not right here. Put the YouTube veins right here. I think. Yes. I was gonna say bad baby, but I know that's not a word. I know it actually is a word, but don't say bad words. If you ever think of saying bad words and you're a little kid, catch yourself. Don't say bad words. It's a bad idea to say bad words. It is. I know. I say bad words all the time, so if you hear me say bad words in a video, like, fuck you, like this video is gonna say fuck you, because fuck, this thing doesn't want to work. I sometimes say that, and fuck, if things doesn't go my way, it means I don't mean to say it. I'm just saying that it doesn't go right. So this is what you end up to begin with, and then that you want to put this thing on. So, do you like it? So yes, you did. Okay, so then you put that baby there. Then you put this thing right here. Yeah. Okay. So look how small that is. Look at that. It's so small. So look at that. You don't get enough room inside. But look at it. That's so small. And then put the roof on. Look at that. Look at that. It's so small. It's meant to look like this from the box. Then the tires. Alright, here we go. Is this guy go with this one? No, this one does not go okay. Last but not least, you want to put the tires on. So you want to put these tires on here.